This is Underwater Pool Bowling 101. This is Underwater Pool Bowling 101, right?
It's cool here. The bottles tap the bottom.
So, Chad, this is Underwater Pool Bowling 101, right?
Yeah, lots of cap.
Yep.
Fucking jeez, how many times did I kick these fucking cups? Where the fuck did they come from?
I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Just because the shenanigans I post.
This is what happens when you get a whole bunch of drunk divers together. We've developed this shit.
Drunk Bowling 101. Pool Bowling
Could not
101.
have Bob here. Get rid of that step on.
Drunk Pool Bowling 101. This is what I'm calling this.
Don't worry, me and Mom have already planned out another one of those.
What?
Another one of those.
What do you mean planned out?
Well, I got blue raspberry
Come on,
vodka. That
Coming?
she's gonna
Oh,
try
get your
with
feet back
Where?
out to get in
It's
here.
in my hand.
Levi, you're about to witness underwater pool
Where'd
bowling.
that come from? Oh, Dickie went and bought that.
How are you gonna do it? What are you gonna use?
Huh?
What are you gonna use
What do you mean?
to bowl with?
Your head, dumbass.
Oh,
Your head. Okay, so there's your pins. Okay.
are you gonna have to like spin around or something?
No. Only what I hit with my head counts as a hit. If any shoulder hits or arm hits, it doesn't count. Okay.
Ah, the basics of pool bowling. Drunk
you
pool
ready?
bowling.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
We're out of the water. It's all on you.
Got 'em all. Got 'em all. Got a strike.
That's cool.
You know how hard that is to get your not take too deep of a breath to get down low enough to glide across.
Drunk Pool Bowling 101.
What he's looking for?
That was it.
That's
I
cool.
had
Oh, wow.
This is going on YouTube.
This is what you do.
I have a channel for a reason. To post stupid stuff like this.
Lisa, you're up next for the bowling.
I actually might do it. I might want to get. Is there like? Do y'all have like a bag or something, like a Ziploc?
Yeah, but
Can't
you're
believe
not
you got
doing
out
that.
and try bowling yet. Pussies.
This is
No,
Drunk
your
Pool
buddy's
Bowling
on his way
101.
Here.
I know, that's fine. If he has a bathing suit, I'll give him a bathing suit. I'll make him bowl.
Who?
I know, Brett.
Who's coming?
My buddy Brent. Brent and me, we met.